Hello, welcome to Microsoft Windows Movie Maker Classic tutorial. This is a really easy program to learn, so just getting used to it. As you're doing stuff, just feel free to click on these tabs here, and as you're building your project and kind of get familiar with them, take your time. It's an easy program to learn. So what we're going to cover today is how to bring in your video clip and your audio, and then also set up your titles and your credits. And I can show you about the captions too as well. Pretty straightforward, self-explanatory. So here we go. We're going to add in a video, 5-minute clip. It's just that simple. Now we're going to add in the music. And now we'll add in a title, and we will also add in a credit. And that is the video. So let's go ahead and preview a little bit of it. And yeah, that was kind of cool. It's just that simple. Now, but I'm gonna put a transition on it. So let's take a look at that. So you can just play around with it. And that's how you get good at all this, is just playing around with it. If you decide, see, you can also put a transition like this. Or you can do something like that. It's you could say none, You could do that. You could do the brick. I think you pretty much get it. Do something like that, and then the back end, say, right here. Kind of cool. Let's preview that real quick.